Hello, my dear friends. It's a joy and a privilege to be with you as we always learn together. We are in the month of love and we have to do something for our subscribers. And what we are doing today is we want to create or design a Valentine's card by using Microsoft Word, which is very simple and easy to do. But before we start our work, please, if this is your first time watching a video on this channel, I want to say thank you very much for your time, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then click on the notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded on this channel you get the notification. And my old subscribers, I want to say thank you very much and God richly bless you for always coming here to watch a video. Now without much ado, we go straight to our work. We are designing a Valentine's card with Microsoft Word. Good. So the first thing is you open your Microsoft Word like this with this interface. Now the next thing is you go to page layout. You click on page layout, you come to margin, you click the drop down arrow box, that small one at the bottom of it. Good. You click on it, then you select narrow. Sorry, you select narrow. Now once you have your document like this or your paper like this, you have to give it a size. So you click on size. Good. You click on that arrow box, then you come and click on more paper size. You click on the more paper size, then we are using the size, the width we are using 7 and the height we are using 5, so it's 7 by 5 document. And then you click OK. You are ready to go. Now for us to get for us to beautify our work nicely, you have to give it border. So you go to border, then you select your border. So let's say I want this one. I think this one will do good. You click on it and then make sure that it is applied to whole document, the whole document. Then you click OK. Now you have your border, so you go straight to your design. You are designing Valentine's card for a loved one with Microsoft Word. Good. So the next thing is I'll insert my image, my first image. So I'll go to insert picture, and then I'll go straight to where I have my pictures. My pictures are on the desktop, so I'll select it. I have it here. Good. So this is my first picture, a bicycle with balloons around it depicting. Good. I have it. Now for you to be able to transform this image and reduce the size to your preferred size, you have to wrap it so that it will make the movement easy, because as at this time when you move it, it will not move, and then when you do any adjustments to it, it will remain where it is. It will not go anywhere. Good. So it will make your work very difficult for you. So you have to click on the wrap and then you wrap through. Good. Now once you are done with that, you can move it. Good. As you can see. Good. So the next thing is I'll transform it and reduce the size to my preferred size. Good. And then bring it somewhere here. Good. Click outside the paper or the document, then go to insert again, picture. Now insert another picture. This is a flower, a tree, a nice tree with flower. Good. Now as you can see, the bicycle is missing. What do? I have to wrap this one through again. Good. Now once you've wrapped it through, make sure that you bring it back. You click on send it back. Good. Now once you send it back, it means you can add other images to it that will not disturb your work or will not be mixing or will not be hiding. So I'll go back to insert and then click on picture and insert another image. All right, that's my bicycle. Let me go. Okay, now I have my bicycle, so you can see that it's not mixing. It is in front. So once to be able to move it, you have to wrap it through. So wrapping through, click on through, and then you move it. Good, good, good. Now it's moving nicely, so I have to reduce the size to my preferred size. Then send it to where my preferred location, where exactly I want to place it. We are designing Valentine's card with Microsoft Word. Good. I think it's well located. It's at the preferred location. Good. I think I have to increase the size more. Good. Now the next thing is I have to position this one well. I'm using the up and down arrow keys to move it small. And then send this one somewhere here. Good. I'll go back and insert another picture. Okay, the same procedure. Yeah, using the same procedure. So this is my love, round love. The next thing is I have to wrap it through again so that I can move it to my preferred position. Good. Then reduce the size. Okay, good. I think here is okay for me. Let me send it somewhere here. Good. And then I'll go back to the insert and insert another picture. So we are just inserting pictures. These pictures I do not own them. I downloaded it from the Google, so you can do that. Good. So I'm giving the credit to Google, right? So I just click on this one and then insert it again. Right, good. So I'll wrap through, and then reduce the size and position it somewhere here. Good. Now as you can see, the image is covering the lab. So what do? We have to reduce the size more, reduce the size once again so that it can go through the love circle. You click on it, then you go to bring or send it back. You click on send it back. Now you see that the love design is now covering around the image. Good. Now it's an image of a man proposing to a lady with a flower. Nice one. Good. So the next thing is I'll introduce another image. So I'll go to insert and then insert another picture. So I'm inserting this picture. Good. I'll click on it and then insert. Click on insert. Good. This time around you have to transform or wrap it through so that you can move it. Good. So let me move it somewhere here and then reduce the size to my preferred size. Good. Then send it here. I think this location will be okay. Now as you can see, it is also disturbing the other image, so you just click on it and then you send it back. Click on send it back. Good. So this one too, you have to reduce the size somewhere. Good. So that everything will be well placed and well positioned nicely. Good. Now I have to increase the size of this one. Good. Wow. Okay. And then click on send it or bring it front. Good. Okay, let me send it back. Now once it's sent back, you see that this one is well positioned. Now the next thing is I'll introduce another image. That is a picture. I'll go to insert and then click on picture and then come and insert or pick this love shape design. There's a heart shape, so you have to always make sure that you wrap it through by clicking on test wrapping. Then you click on through, then you move it to where you want to position it. Good. Now I want to position it somewhere here. So somewhere here will do. I reduce the size to my preferred size. Good. That's my preferred size. Good. Okay. So I'll right click on it and then copy it. Good. Now once it's copied, I'll right click again and click on paste. Good. Now you can see it's paste, so I'll move the other one to this side. Good. I have to right click on it again and click OK. Once it's already copied, you can paste it anywhere. So let me paste it again. Good. Now I have another one. Let me position this one somewhere here. Let me move it small. Alright, good. I think it's okay. I'll copy another one. I'll paste another one. Sorry, paste another one. And this time around, this one, let me position it somewhere here. Good. And then I have to also paste another one somewhere here. Right, okay. I think it's well positioned now, and I'm okay with the position. The next thing is I'll introduce my text, and this time around I'm going to use, I'll go to insert and then use word art. Click on the arrow bar and then pick this one. I think this one is okay for me. I will write happy Valentine's Valentine Day. Happy Valentine Day. Let me reduce the size to 24. Good. Click OK. Now I have it. Now the next thing is I have to wrap that one also through so that I can work on it. Good. So I'll reduce the size. Then position it somewhere here. I think it's okay. Now I don't like the color. So I have to work on it. So you have to right click on it and then go to format world art. Good. Now let me change this color to red since I'm using red. Then change this one also to red. Good. And this one let me use, I think this one will do, the round dot. Good. Then I'll click OK. Good. Now as you can see, still I'm not okay with it, so I'll just work on it, edit it small so that I can get my preferred. Go to fill effect, you click on the fill effect and then you make sure that you change your effects to your preferred color. Let me use one color. You click on one color. I think I like this one, the red and that. Good. Then you click OK. You can click on here to select any of them to select your preferred color, or you can just click here and then you select your color. When you are done, you click OK and then OK. Now you see that my Happy Valentine is getting one color with some blacks around it, looking very nice and beautiful. I think the one that I'm designing this one for will be very happy, but it's for tutorial purposes and nothing else. Again, thank you very much. So the next thing is I'll introduce my last text for this design. So I'll go to insert and then go to shapes, click on the shapes and then pick this rectangular shape. I'll come to the work and then draw my, I'll left click, and whilst holding on to the left click I'll just drag to get my rectangle nicely draw. Good. So once you have it, good, you have it, click on it and then the next thing is you introduce your text. But sometimes when you draw this and you see that there is something or the color that in the box that you are not okay with, you can just click on it and then do away with the color. Sorry about that. Good. So I'll go to shape and then pick my text to good. Now I'll come here and then click. Oh, sorry about that. Okay. Control Z. Good. Now I have to write my text. Now I have my text already, so I'll click on it and then copy it, copy my text, go and paste. Now the next thing is paste. Oh, sorry, Control Z. Oh, insert, click on it, then you double click on it and then you go to text edit, you just click it and then you come here, then you click on Ctrl V to paste your text, or you can right click and then just paste. Now I have my text, so I have to do some small adjustment to the text. Go to home and then change this one, the font, to my preferred font. I think the Adobe Haiti will do. Then center it. I have to center it and then make sure that the line spacing option, I will reduce the after to 0. We then click OK. Now I think it's okay, so I'll increase the font size to 18. Okay, 18 is too much, so let me make it 16. 16 is okay. I'll drag this one small, drag this one small, and then select all again. Everything is about red, 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 because the official and worldwide accepted color for Valentine is red. Good. I think I'm done. I'll click outside the box. Then push this one small so that it will not cover the lab, or the lab will not cover it. Good. Now I'm done. Thank you very much for your time. This is how to design Valentine's card with Word, Microsoft Word. We hope to meet again some other time, but please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not do so, and please, if this is your first time, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime a video is uploaded on this channel, you get the notification. Bye for now.